This is the Stock and ETF report for today, June 21st, 2022. Let's go to Trade Seasonals and click on Start Scanning. Right, we're going to see today's opportunities. Of course, the top opportunities are longs. On the S&P 500, the top opportunity is Moody's, the long one. It has a high Sharpe ratio of 3.29, very high for longs. So if we decide to trade short-term long, which is only a 27 calendar day opportunity, this definitely is something to consider. Moody's is a good long opportunity for right now. Last 10 years, it's made an average of 5.07%. Sharpe ratio is high, very consistent from one year to the next. So this is a good long opportunity, but because of state of the markets, by the way, let's look at the markets right now. Right now, the S&P pre-market is up 60 points. It's dropping to 59. I am still bearish because of such a broad-based drop last few days, last week. But we have to consider both sides. Okay, we can either double click on click direction a couple of times to see the short opportunities, or we can just type short. Las Vegas Sands is the first one, but these are 4-day opportunities. I should probably get rid of these 4-day ones. They're too short. The second one's IBM. It's dropped an average of 6.33% in the last 120. In the last 10 years, it's a 126-day short opportunity. That's a better opportunity right now. The long score and short score is slightly up for now. And today the market's high, so probably should skip this for now. Either of any of the opportunities. Carnival Cruise Lines, Juniper Networks, they're all on the list. But they're very short term, so I don't consider those as great opportunities for today. ExxonMobil is a 61-day short opportunity at this time. Let's take a look at the stock chart. It's been dropping sharply since mid-June. So this could be a very good short-term opportunity. Let's go down to the next short opportunity, which is not just 4 or 5 or 6 days. It is Occidental Petroleum. It's very similar to ExxonMobil. Well, let's take a look at this one. Perkin-Elmer. This one actually drops not a lot, but it's over a very short period of time. It lost last year as a short, but it lost after it dropped over 2%. And it's been dropping now. See? So this also may be a good short opportunity. Wine Resorts. That's a 46-day opportunity. It's been dropping. Long and short scores show that it's on a somewhat of a downtrend. So this is another good opportunity. Let's look at more than 10 years. No, we have 19 years of data. It was a winner on 2007, 8, 9, and 10, and 13. So it was 74% profitable, 14 out of 19 years. It's still a good opportunity as long as we pay a lot of close attention to it. It's a good short term. Cerner. Also a good short-term opportunity. Let's look at this one, X-ray. Then splice zero. I don't know how to say this. It's been dropping 3.81% in 81 days last 10 years. However, it has a high standard deviation, so Sharpe ratio is low. When Sharpe ratio is low, means the profits or loss from one year to the next are very different from each other. So they're not consistent. Let's also look at this one. IPG Photonics. It's on a downtrend also. And it was a good short for 9 out of 10 years, but the amount of money the amount it dropped each year is inconsistent, so has low Sharpe ratio, but still something to consider. Right, let's take a look at ETFs. Oh, we're on short, so we're gonna look at shorts first. VanEck Junior Gold Miners ETF, 280-day short opportunity. It has dropped 7.78% in average. Low Sharpe ratio, but it could be something to consider. As we can see, it has dropped sharply and then went back up. That's what the light red shows, or pink. This shows where it dropped to, and then it went back. So let's take a look at that, see what that means. So if you shorted here, and you covered your short at the low, that's the light green, light red. But then this is a 280-day opportunity, so if you would have waited, it went back up, went down, and back up, and just made a very small short profit. But it's definitely a good opportunity. You could have made 20%. Italy iShares MSCI ETF, 7-day short opportunity, and Spider World EX US Portfolio ETF, another short opportunity, only 5 days. How about longs? XLK S&P 500 technology sector is seasonally bullish right now, although it's been dropping, but it's seasonally bullish. If market were to turn around, this would be a great opportunity. Well, market is turning around, but as you can see, it's still vulnerable. We don't know if this is going to take. Next one, S&P counts staple sector spider. Triple Q's, Intrum, Corp Bonds Vanguard, and Dow, Tips Barkley ETF spider. These are all long opportunities, but you can see that they are on the downtrend. That's why the long score is low, short score is high. We can see all of them seem to be in downtrends. All right. Well, the opportunities are there as long as we decide if we want to go long or short right now. This is it for today, June 21st, 2022.